First of all, I thank you for inviting me, but I did not hear, enough enthusiasm in the room. See, like when I come onto the stage, right, to speak, I need to see, that you all are happy. It's like, when you go out for a long run, we need to stretch. So I would like her to announce again that I'll be up here and I want to hear loud noises. Stamp your foot, okay? Okay, now I'm happy.
Thank God. Now since you are happy, we are all happy.
Good. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Sandeep, and I am here to tell you top 10 reasons why a man should not get married. Top 10 reasons. So, reason number 10, why a man should not get married. He will end up throwing the expensive parties like this. Reason number 9. It takes a mom to make her boy very gentle, almost 25 years. It takes mom 25 years to make a boy gentle. It takes his wife only half an hour to make him mental. Reason number 8. When you change your clothes, just drop it there and go away. 2 days later, you can simply come back, put the same pant on. No rope toe, no tuck. Just leave your clothes on the floor as long as you want. Nobody will come and ask you to pick up your clothes, do anything about it. Just leave it there, come back after a week. You stay your pants there, put your feet and put it on. You are good to go. Marriage. If you come home late, you do not have to come up with any excuse. Like I had a Bengali friend, I will call him Babu. So, whenever he comes late, they have a big fight in their house. So I asked his wife, what is the deal? Why do you get so mad when Babu comes so late? Now Bengalis, we know, right, how they speak, like Namaskar, and they always say like Sandeep to Shandip, Shandip, I am trying to explain her. Mera ghodi gayi tha to main kya karega? Now, his wife immediately fires back. He thinks I am an idiot. I know he doesn't ride a horse. See, if I raise my hand, you have to laugh. A Bengali people, right, can say ghodi means ghadi basically. So now this guy, he came here after years. He came here, my friend, and he was going to. He is actually employed by GM India. He came here like 6 months ago for work. Now Babu did not get desk or laptop or phone anything for 2 or 3 days. So one day he came in his original Indian style, Shandip. I said, yes, Babu. I have been here for 3 days and I don't have desk yet. I don't know where to sit. If I don't have desk in 2 days, I'm going to sit right on your desk. In India, we are allowed to sit at home and work. See, Bengal is like, I did not realize in India that when they saw or saw, it's a big deal. But when they see it here, it's a big deal, right? It's like, in Winnipeg, right? About 20 years ago, I had a professor, he was Arabic. Now, when I came from India, I did not know that in Arabic, they can't say P and they have to say B. And they say B, right? So first day I came and he asked me, did you bark in the barking lot? Okay, in this country, you always bark at the right place. If you don't know how to bark, you have to learn how to bark here. So anyway, if you come up with an excuse, you have to find out the right accent, right? So reason number 6. Reason number 6 is Uncle Sam will take a lot more money from you. Uncle Sam will charge you a lot more money. Reason number 5. The most dreaded word, the most dreaded 6-letter word, in-laws. I did not know for many years that why everybody loves Raymond is such a hit show among Indians. Over the year I figured out that every Indian wife, right, she wants to watch the show with her husband and tell him every time how annoying Raymond's mom is. The whole idea behind that show is to show that Sas, my God, all Sasus are like this. That's the whole idea, I think. And that is why everybody loves Raymond's show is such a hit show among Indians. Reason number 4. When you drive, you don't have to take directions from her. Again and again. Look at this, he is changing lane. He is slowing down. Stay in the left lane. For the God's sake, I see the same thing which she sees, right? But they don't think that. Every wife thinks that they can see ahead of the time. Reason number 3. What was the reason? I'm getting older, see? Oh, food. Okay, if you don't like food, then you can always go home and say, the food stinks. But if you are married, you can't say that. You have to say, oh dear, it's okay. Honey, it's not too bad. And especially if you are eating in the same table as your mom and wife, and we don't know who cooked what, never say anything. It's a big no-no. That's a big fight. It's a riot almost, okay, home riot. It is like having your mom on speed dial on number 2 and your wife number 3. If she finds out that, you are in trouble. Your wife is not ahead on the speed dial of your mom, that's a divorce paper. Okay, she will go, why do you have to talk to her so much? When I call you at work, you are always busy. It will go on and ultimately it will end up with a divorce paper. So never have your wife ahead of your wife on the speed dial on the cell phone. Reason number 2. If you are married, you cannot hit on other women. If you are married, you cannot hit on other women. Now, see, actually if I am on diet, I can still look at other food, right? Okay, if I am on diet, I can still look at other food. But you cannot drool. Right? Drooling is beyond limit. Now when Nishit Bhai came from India to here, right? And this is what Shruti told me, so if you don't think this is to ask her, okay? Before Nishit Bhai came from India, he said, I want to learn English. I want to improve my English. So he went to a teacher to learn English. Now, my teacher said, I can teach you English, but at the end of every class, I will ask you, and if you do well, you will go on next day. And he agreed. So at the end of the first day, teacher said, here's a sentence in Hindi, and I want you to tell me in English. So teacher said, दुख हमेशा अपने साथ रहता है, सुख आता जाता रहता है. दुख हमेशा अपने साथ रहता है और सुख आता जाता रहता है. For those of you who doesn't know Hindi, basically it means that difficulty is a part of life. Difficulty is a part of life, and happiness comes and goes. So Nishit Bhai scratched his head. ये तो I am not sure how to say it. After long thought, he said, okay, I know how to say it. Shruti always stays with me, her sisters comes and goes. So never drool on sister-in-law. That's big no-no. number one. Reason number one for happy married life. The secret. Reason number one is the secret to happy married life is still a secret.